Hey guys, it's Anna and Aiden here. Welcome back to our channel. So we are currently on our part 2 of our vacation here in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
Sunny Isles to be exact, but we're actually currently in Miami.
Yeah.
And we're going to the Miami Zoo.
Yeah.
So it's a nice toasty day, but at least it's dry. So we're gonna take you along and see what we can find here today. Never been to the zoo, and Aiden is super excited because he's like, ooh, I'm in Miami.
Yeah.
All right, so masks are required. Capacity is supposed to be low, and they encourage you to pre-purchase your tickets online, and we did. So we'll see you guys. All right, so I guess this is the gift shop area. There's some flamingos, and I guess we enter this way. I gotta pull up my tickets. There's a tiger right there. He's so cute. Sorry, it's a lot of noise. This is a cute and cool looking habitat. There's supposed to be some monkeys.
White cheek jawbone monkey.
But we don't see him or her just yet. Maybe they're...
It's a pretty big
yeah, it is. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Ange.
Animals living here must have like paradise.
Oh, there's one right here.
Oh.
He's sitting right over here. He's eating.
Yeah. The alligator? I don't know if you'll be able to see him. He's kind of hiding. He's like right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He kind of blends in. But, oh, there's another one right there. I don't know, maybe you might be able to see him. So, this is a little sign. Visitors must stay in the public walkways. You know, you don't want to mess around with these guys. They actually have a hidden camera. It's hard to see, you know. Yeah. So, these guys have a little bit of a small habitat.
It smells so good here. Some kind of flowers. I don't know if it's this or what.
Oh, you even have like the signs of what flowers are there.
We're entering Wings of Asia. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. So amazing. It's not very crowded, but you know, here and there you have some people.
Yeah.
So I guess here we see some fish. You see the fish, Andrew?
Yes. Oh, one of the fish looks like rainbow.
Whoa, look at that one.
Whoa.
Baba would have him for dinner.
Hello. Hi. So we just found these meerkats. Hi. Hi, buddy. The one's over there. Oh, and they even have like a cam for them.
Very cool.
And so I guess you can like look on their website. Hi. So we just found the elephant habitat. There goes one of the elephants. It is the Asian elephant. In the distance over there you can see another one, and there's one of them right now. Here's some of their facts. Currently endangered, they can live up to 60 years. They currently live West Asia. So, oh, he's striking a pose. currently some rhinos chilling in the water. Looks like somebody had a birthday here because we saw a second B-Day box.
Bored.
So,
Yeah.
they're just chilling in the water trying to cool off from today's heat.
All right, I think we're approaching the lion habitat because he was making a lot of noises that lions make. Yes, honey. Oh, great. Oh my gosh. Andrew, let's go see the lion. There they are. And of course, as soon as we come, he's not making those noises anymore.
I just found, I think these are camels, right?
Yes, of course it's camels. Oh
Mm.
my god, they're so cute. Hi.
Hello. Oh, he's looking at us.
I'm like obsessing over these palms. And I think there's a snake on top. I think there's a snake. Maybe, I don't know, but these are so pretty. And there's like a row of them, like 1, 2, 3, and they're so big and so beautiful. Okay, it's kind of cloudy, which is good. I did read that Miami Zoo has like a splash area, so hopefully if it's not too busy, we're gonna go. It's like right over there. I did take some change of clothes for the kids and stuff, so we shall see. So we're gonna pick up some food. Not sure what they have. It's actually starting to drizzle a little bit, so this will be a perfect time. So they have like burgers, hamburgers, chicken tenders, pizza, sandwiches. Alright. Ooh, barbecue pork sandwich. I wonder if that's good. So we got turkey wraps. And of course we had some fruits from home, from the hotel, and some fries for the kids.
That's by the bone.
Boop. You look tired, Andrew. Are you tired?
Oh, they're feeding them.
Alright, we're almost done. So we're gonna go check out the gift shop. See what they have. Thank you very much. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh, I like that cup. That's a pretty cup. I like that. Alright guys, it is so toasty here. So hot, so sunny. We are done. We definitely didn't see everything. But we had so much fun. The kids had so much fun at the splash pad and the playground. And I have to say, like, the animal exhibits, habitats are so beautiful, like so well done. Just very, very good.
Yep.
And Aiden got this safari hat as a souvenir.
Yep. Which I'll be wearing every time I come to Florida, because it's like hot that I got legit burned all over.
Yeah, we got burned yesterday. Alright guys, well, Oh, I don't think we guys showed you. Here is our beautiful Toyota. Not sure what model. Here's our rental. It's cute. Simple.
RAV4.
Oh, RAV4. Okay, cool.
No.